All right, for anyone who wants to know, here is how I use my Canva for EDU account to be able to make things to bring into the Cricut Design Studio. It's kind of quick and easy, so here we go. I'm already on my Canva page, and I'm going to go ahead and create a design. And I just searched the word square because you just need to have a blank thing to start going on, and I choose square pillow just because it makes a really high quality image, you know, because it's going to be a big image file, and so we can just do square pillow. All right, from that point you just start creating, and I have some stuff that I've already created on another file, so I'm just going to bring that in so that it just goes a little bit quicker. And so I have a little bit of font here. I put an element on and the same font again. I just use, and I'm using one color and I'm making it black just because it's going to be the easiest. Now when you get to your Cricut, of course, you could put any color vinyl you wanted to on the cutout. That doesn't matter. This just makes a nice high quality contrast image so that you can bring it into Design Studio. So the thing I want you to remember the most about is in this image about these areas where the A's are at. That's going to come into play here. So I could save that image there. Canva Love Cricut. Just so I have it. And I'm going to go ahead and go to my share button here. And I'm going to download. Now, I tried this before using a transparent image, and I think it works better if you just bring the image in as is, and then you can use the tool inside the Cricut Design Studio. So I don't check anything else here. I just go ahead and download that PNG. All right, so that file is downloaded. Now I can open up Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to go ahead and import or upload an image. And then upload an image, browse, and we can just go right to where my downloads are at, and that's where that's called. Now it says select image type. Since I just have a nice high contrast colors, it's going to make this a simple process because I had white background with black letters. So I'm going to choose this first one here. It says simple. All right, now we're going to click continue over here in the lower right hand corner, and this is where it gets to be the interesting part. So right here it says, it talks about having background remover, that it does it automatically. I'm not paying for Cricut, so I just do it manually. So right here at the bottom it says manual, and I like to use the select function. So I'm gonna make sure that is clicked, and then I can go over here, and now look how my mouse changed to that crosshair. I am gonna click anywhere where I don't want Cricut to cut. All right, so we're making that transparent background. You'll see here in one click. So now I'm going to click this. All right, so that's made that background transparent. And I want to make sure that I get the gray out of there as well, because I want that to be open, to be so that way I can weed that area out when the Cricut cuts it out. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, just make it easier, and put my crosshair right in there. And then put my crosshair right in there. And that was really the only parts that had that kind of open area. So now when I apply and continue, of course you're going to see if you want to cut it and print and cut. I am just going to do cut image because that's what I'm going to do for my Cricut. And right there it is, and we are going to choose that to our canvas. And from that point you just resize and use as you're going to. I just have a Cricut Joy, so mine would have to be kind of on the small side there. But I could probably bring that in and bring that over there like that. I think that's about right where it would be at. And then I would just go ahead and make it. And I like to use it on my phone with my little Cricut Joy. It just seems to work easiest. Since this is all saved in the cloud, I'm going to go ahead and save this. And I'll just call it Canva Love. Now I could open up Design Space on my phone, grab that project from the cloud, and be able to cut it out. So I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, you just let me know and I'll be able to help you out. Enjoy.